Hello students, welcome to AriserTalent. As you know, we are going to study diversity in living organism, and today we are discussing the NTSE stage 2 level questions here. Okay, so here we go. A plant that has well differentiated body, special tissues for transport of water and other substances, but does not have seeds or fruit. So what are the features? Pay attention. Body is well differentiated, means the body is divided into stem, roots and leaves, and it has special tissues for transport of water and other substances. What are they? Then it means we can understand that xylem and phloem are also present. But the next feature is they do not have seeds or fruits. So what kind of plant they are? That is pteridophytes. Okay, so this is a feature of pteridophytes, that they do not have any seeds. Okay, and if they do not have seed, means they do not have fruits too. Okay, so option 4, that is pteridophyte, is the type of plant in which body is well differentiated, means it is divided into stem, roots and leaves, and it has tissues for transport of water and other substances, but does not have seed. So type of plant is pteridophyte. Next is, which of the following animal is different from others, is not having the parrot gill pouches? Well, it has water snake, it also has starfish, it also has, no, it does not have paired gill pouches. So option is 3. Okay, so correct answer of the given sentence is option 3, that is starfish. Some organisms are sensitive to different levels of air pollution and are used as pollution indicators. Suggest which among the following fits into the category. Now, what are the features? Features are that they are sensitive to different level of air pollution. Whatever the level of pollution is, they are sensitive to air pollution and are used as pollution indicators. They are used as pollution indicators. Then these are the features. So now what kind of plant they are? They are kept in the category of lichens. Clear? What are the features? Pay very sincere attention, that they are they cannot bear, or they are sensitive to different level of air pollution. This is the reason they are known as air pollution indicators. Okay, so they are lichens. Clear? Next is, which of the following statements are correct? Tapeworms are hermaphrodite and undergo self-fertilization. Okay. Earthworms are hermaphrodite and undergo self-fertilization. Wrong, because they go generally cross-fertilization. They undergo generally cross-fertilization. Tapeworms are hermaphrodite but undergo cross-fertilization. No, because they go through the self-fertilization. Next is, earthworms are hermaphrodite, yes, but undergo cross-fertilization. This is true. So, which statements are true? The true statements are tapeworm are hermaphrodite and undergo self-fertilization, and earthworms are hermaphrodite but undergo cross-fertilization. So, these two statements are correct. Now, we have to choose the option A and B. No, only A is correct, B is incorrect. B and C both are incorrect. C and D is correct and C is false, incorrect. Now D and A, yes, this is the option, correct option for the given statement. Then option A, or statement A and statement D both are correct. So option 4 is correct option here. Next is, match the items given in column A and column B and identify the correct alternative listed below. Flying fish, flying lizard, egg-laying mammals, flightless birds, Draco, Echidna, Ecocytus and Stratio. So we have to match the correct option here. Now let's go. Flying fish is what? Flying fish is Ecocytus. Flying lizard is Draco. Here we can mention Draco. Egg-laying mammals are Echidna and flightless birds is Struthio. Okay, so these are the correct option. Now what we have to do? We have to choose correct option. So what was the correct option? It was 1, it was 2, it was 3 and it was the 4th. Now we will match with the options A with 1, no. B with third, no. C with second, no. D with fourth, no. So, A option which match with the third, correct. B with 1, okay. C with second, okay. And D with 4. So, option 2 is the correct answer, okay. Next is, you discover a new species of a plant. You also discover that it produces motile swarms and dominant generation has diploid cells. It belongs to Bryophyta, no. Angiosperm, no. Gymnosperm, no. Pteridophyte, yes. They belongs to pteridophyte. Why they belongs to pteridophyte? Because they do not have seeds or fruits. So, they have generally they produces motile sperms and dominant generation has diploid cells. Clear? So, option 4, that is pteridophyte, is the correct answer of the given statement. Next is, you are observing a non-chlorophyllous eukaryotic organism with chitinous cell wall under a microscope. You shall describe the organism as a fungus, alga, protozoans, bacterium. So, if we go with the options, then if we talk about bacterium and protozoans, they do not have chitinous cell wall, okay. Even they are prokaryotes, okay. Alga does not have these features. So, option is fungus. One more thing is that when we go with the 5 kingdom classification, it also says that eukaryotic, according to 5 kingdom classification, eukaryotic organisms which have cell wall and without cell wall. So, here the first characteristic is eukaryotic and it has cell wall, especially in the fungus. Generally, in eukaryote, cell wall is made up of cellulose, but in the fungus, the cell wall is made up of chitin. Okay, so again, this is the special features that cell wall is made up of chitin. Okay, so then again, they were classified into 2 groups, non-green and green. So, non-green plants were kept in the category fungus. The organism which were non-green, they were kept in the group fungus. So, here the correct option is fungus. Clear? So, according to 5 kingdom classification, we can find that it is the fungus on the basis of these characteristics. Clear? Next is, which one of the following statement is not true about evolution? Evolution leads to generation of diverse forms of life. It's true. Time dating and fossil studies help in understanding of evolution. It's also true, because with time only we can know what is about the evolution. We can understand how the evolution take place. Okay, evolution is not always progressive series of change that occurs in organism. It's also true. Human beings have not evolved from chimpanzees. It's false. Okay, so according to the question here, which one of the following statement is not true about evolution? So, this is the statement which is not true about the evolution. What is that? That human beings have not evolved from chimpanzees. Okay, so this is not a true statement. Next is the phenomenon in which the haploid and diploid phases of a life cycle are multicellular is called double diploid, no. Alteration of generations, yes. Diplogeneration, no. Multigeneration, no. So, correct option of the given statement is alternation of generation. Go through the sentence. It is saying the phenomenon in which the haploid and diploid phases of life cycles are multicellular is called alternation of generation. Okay. Next is, dash is the basic unit of taxonomy. Genus, no. Species, yes. Kingdom, no. Subspecies, no. Why it is so? Because when we have studied the hierarchy of taxonomy, generally we know that species is the lowest form Okay, it is the lowest form of the hierarchy. So thus we can say it is the basic unit of taxonomy. What is that? That is species. So option 2 is the correct answer. Next is plastids are absent in fungi, animal cell, prokaryotes, all of these. So here we will go with the options once again. Fungi, yes, plastids are absent in fungi because first of all, even they are eukaryotic, but they are non-green. The point is they are non-green. So why they are non-green? Because plastids are absent. Okay. Animal cell, we all know that in the animal cell, plastids are absent. This is the reason they do not have different colors and they do not perform the process of photosynthesis. Prokaryotes, in the prokaryote, plastids are absent because we all know that membrane bound cell organelles are absent in prokaryotes. Okay, so thus we can say plastids are absent in all of these because plastids are present in green eukaryotic cells. Clear? Next is the plants which bear naked seeds are Pteridophyta, they do not have seeds. Gymnosperm, yes. This is the correct option, that the plants which bear naked seed means seeds are without fruit, okay, or they do not have outer covering, or thus we can say that in the gymnosperm ovary is absent, okay. So we can say that the seeds are naked in the gymnosperm. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next is, in Whitaker's classification, unicellular eukaryotic organisms are grouped under Protista, Monera, fungi or Animalia. So according to Whitaker's classification, what we have studied that generally Whitaker's classification is what? 5 kingdom classification. Okay, so according to it, prokaryotes are kept in Monera, but unicellular eukaryotes are kept in Protista. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Clear? Or we can say that Monera is prokaryotic, or in which prokaryotic organisms are kept. In fungi, generally eukaryotic non-green chitinous cell wall featured organisms are kept. Animalia is totally different group. Okay, so we can say that the according 5 kingdom classification of Whitaker's classification, unicellular eukaryotic organisms are kept in the Protista group. Option A or option 1. Next is, which of the following is a unicellular green alga? Spirogyra, no. Cycas, no. Fern, no. That is Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is what? Unicellular green algae. Next is, which type of food is stored in fungi? As we all know that fungi is non-green organism or non-green plants. Thus, we can say they cannot perform the process of photosynthesis and the stored food material in them will be glycogen. Clear? Next is, water vascular system and tube feet for locomotion are found in poriferans, arthropods, nematodes, echinodermata. So all we know, which we have already studied in the chapter, that vascular system and tube feet for locomotion are found in the echinodermates only. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next is, which of the following statement is true about amphibians? Here we go. They can respire through lungs, gills, skin and buccal cavity. Yes, because they are amphibians. Okay, so they can respire through lungs, gills, skin and buccal cavity. They are not at all found in marine habitats. True, because they are found in freshwater habitat. Clear? These are cold-blooded animals. Yes, they are cold-blooded animals and they can change the body temperature according to surroundings. Okay, so all these 3 options are correct. 1 and 2 are correct? No. Third is also correct. Second and third are correct? No. 1 is also correct. First and third are correct? No. All these 3 are correct. So, option 4th is the correct option, that is first, second and third. All these statements are correct because these are the features of amphibians. Clear? Next is pneumatic bone is found in. We all know pneumatic bone means hollow bone, and hollow bones are generally found in the aves. Organisms of aves means in the birds only. Okay, so pneumatic bones means hollow bones are found in the animals, or we can say organisms of the aves group, which are birds. So here what is bird? Well, dolphin, they are mammals. Peacock, yes, peacock is a bird. So we can say that pneumatic bones means hollow bones are present only in the peacock of the given options. So peacock is the correct answer. As snake is also reptile, it does not have pneumatic bone. So correct answer is peacock. Next is, which of the following plants contributed the most to our present day supply of coal? Angiosperm? No. Conifers? No. Bryophytes? No. Seedless vascular plants? Yes. What they provide? They contribute the most to our present day supply of coal. What are they? They are seedless vascular plants. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next is, the plants having inconspicuous or hidden reproductive organs are placed in cryptogame. This is the correct option. Why it is so? Because we all know that plants are classified into 2 big groups, that are cryptogames and phanerogames. Phanerogames, they have seeds, they have fruits with the seeds. Okay, so here the correct option is cryptogame only, option 1. Next, some organisms are sensitive to different levels of air pollution and are used as pollution indicators. Suggest which among the following fits into the category, that is lichen. Also, I have told you that they are very sensible about the air pollution, to the air pollution. So, this is the reason they are known as the pollution indicators. Okay, what are they? They are lichens. So, here we have discussed very important questions of NTSE stage 2 level of chapter diversity in living organisms. Thank you.